We've been dreaming about smart glasses for years, right? Like something straight out of a movie. Well, it looks like one product is actually making that a reality for a whole lot of people. Today, we're going to dive deep into the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, what they are, what they really do, and what people actually think about them. Okay, let's get into it.
So right off the bat, you just can't ignore where these things sit in the market. According to all the data, these aren't just some niche gadget. Nope, they're the #1 best-selling smart glasses out there. And when you see that kind of popularity, you've got to ask, what's all the fuss about?
And that's the big question, isn't it? I mean, beyond all the hype and the crazy sales numbers, what's it actually like to wear these? What do they do for you? What can you do with them that you couldn't before? Let's break it all down. So what really makes these glasses tick? Well, it all starts with two fundamental ideas, two key pieces of hardware that are built right into the frame. And they are the foundation for everything. It really boils down to these two super powerful functions. First, the ability to instantly capture your world from your own perspective. And second, the ability to listen to music or calls while still hearing everything around you. Let's take a look at how each one works. Okay, this is where the cool tech stuff meets the real world. It's not just some tiny camera they stuck on there. We're talking about an ultra-wide 12-megapixel camera, and it's paired with a whole system of 5 different microphones. That combo is what lets you shoot incredible HD video and photos totally hands-free, capturing life exactly as you see it right in the moment. And then you've got the audio. This is so cool. Instead of earbuds that basically plug your ears and block out the world, these glasses use something called open ear audio. What that means is you can be listening to a podcast or taking a call, but you're still completely aware of what's happening around you. You can hear traffic, hear someone call your name, everything. It's like your digital world and your physical world are perfectly blended together. So, a great camera and that innovative audio, those are the building blocks, right? But that's not what really makes these glasses smart. For that, we've got to look at how they connect to everything else and how AI, artificial intelligence, plays a huge role. The real brain of the operation here is Meta AI. Just think of it like having a super smart assistant built right into your glasses. You could be walking for a new city, look at a cool building, and literally just ask your glasses, hey, what is that? Or you could ask for a great place to get lunch nearby. It gives you info about the world around you in real time, and you never have to pull out your phone. And it's easy to see how this all just flows together in your day. You might ask the AI a question, then, boom, a call comes in from a friend and you take it, hands-free. While you're on that call, you could even share your point of view live. And when you snap that perfect picture, you can post it straight to your social media. It's all designed to be completely seamless. All right, the features sound amazing on paper. But, the real test of any new tech is what actual users, the people who spent their own hard-earned money on it, what do they think? So, what's the final verdict from the people who actually own these? Well, the numbers give us a really clear picture. The average customer rating comes in at a super solid 4 out of 5 stars. For a new kind of tech product, that is a really strong score. And get this. That rating isn't just from a handful of early adopters. It's based on over 3,600 individual reviews. That is a ton of feedback, and it gives us real confidence that people are genuinely liking these things. And when you actually start reading the reviews, you find comments like this one all over the place. This person called them marvelous meta glasses for easy hands-free recording. I mean, that just perfectly captures that core idea we talked about, right? The magic of being able to capture your life without being stuck looking at a screen. And if you zoom out to look at the big picture for the Meta brand, the data is just as strong. Over 100,000 customers have rated their stuff highly. Sales are trending up with more than 100,000 orders in just the last 3 months. And maybe the most telling stat of all, the return rate is low. That means when people buy these, they almost always keep them. So we've looked at the tech, we've seen the rave reviews, and we've checked out the market performance. It's pretty clear that these glasses are making a real impact. And that just leaves us with one last and maybe much more personal question to think about. When you put it all together, the hands-free camera, the open-ear audio, that AI assistant, what you really get is a totally new way to interact with your world. So the real question isn't just whether this is a cool gadget, it's whether this is a little peek into how we're all going to use technology in the future. And more importantly, are you ready to see the world differently?